everybody, DH here. Welcome to the beach. Look at this. So, guess what? We had to get the Argo out.
That's the RPM.
Hopefully this will be a quick YouTube short to show you that even us Southerners can put up with a little cold. Gonna give it a shot now. You ever driven this? Oh. Well, you wanna go right, you pull that one down. You wanna go left, you pull that one